Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Life of ServiceNow Developer. I hope this series is helping you. Mostly, I'm giving what is my experience of these 15 years, and I'm trying to include all the events which a particular developer go through, starting from the very sequence. Okay, very number one, number two, number three. Mostly the sequence is same, but it may differ. So do not take it as a hard line. Okay, so this is video number 3. I hope in video number 1 and 2 you understand how to join, what is the day 1 and week 1 responsibilities, what you have to do, what you should not do. Okay, so in this I am discussing a very important topic, which is Scrum call. Yes, this is the very first thing, mostly because as soon as you join a team, you have to introduce yourself formally to the whole team. It may be possible that your team is not at one place, but at other places. Okay, Scrum Master is in North India, but he is in US, something like that. This is actually happening. Okay, so it's a general practice. So Scrum call may be the first call which you join. Okay, as soon as you join a project. So we discuss few points related to a Scrum call or a daily stand-up call. You can have n number of names, right? First of all, frequency. It may happen on daily basis or it may happen weekly, depends on your team. Mostly it happens on daily basis when the project is running, okay? And this is a kind of 15 minutes call, mostly, okay? In that, all the stakeholders like your product owner, your Scrum Master, your developers, testers, people who are involved in the project are there. What they do there? They come to the call, okay? They share what they have done yesterday, what they have accomplished, where are the blockers, means what problem they are facing, if they are facing, okay? And then just update the progress of what they have done. So the main purpose of this call is to get aligned, okay, throughout the team, as well as identify any blockers, any issues which is hindering the progress of the project. Okay, so we have a Scrum Master there. This Scrum Master is there to facilitate, to solve your blockers. Okay, so what kind of issues? Let's say you reached out to a particular team and you are asking for update, but they are not giving. Okay, they may be busy or they have few other priorities. So in this case, the Scrum Master has the authority to intervene, to reach out or to escalate and get information for you. So he is there to facilitate. Okay, so this is the simple purpose of this call. Okay, so now you understand what is a Scrum call, who all are joining, what is the purpose. Now, important question for you. What is there for a new joiner? Why it is important for you? It is important because this is your first chance. This is your first opportunity to introduce, to face the whole team, right? To give your first impression. Along with that, it is the opportunity where you understand what actually is going on in the project. What is the status of the project at present? So that is why you should be prepared. It's not an exam, right? You should not be, read or write or mug up the things, but only few things you have to say in the call. What you did yesterday, it may not be the development because you are a new joiner. It may be some assistant, it may be some testing or anything. Whatever you did yesterday, you have to share that. Along with that, what you are focusing on or what you are doing today. Okay. And finally, if there is any blocker which you have, you can share them. These are the 3-point formula, which not only fresher, but everyone has to say in the Scrum call. Now, one interesting thing, what are the common mistakes people are doing in Scrum call? So people mostly do not take it otherwise. Mostly Indian people are hiding the things. They think hiding will keep them safe if there is something wrong or if there is any blocker. So basically, they are not sharing the blockers properly. But no, this is not a kind of audit call. It is there so that you express your concerns, express any blocker, and it get resolved. Okay, so make sure you share the blockers properly. Second thing is, this call is only of 15 minutes. So make sure you have the pointers ready, what you have to say. It should not be like you take too long, okay, to express yourself or you have to narrate the entire story. No, just few points, because everyone has some time allotted, right? So you have to speak in points and do not make it a story. Another thing is make sure whatever you are saying is correct. It is there on any kind of story or on email. Okay, do not make any unnecessary promises or vague statements. Keep it as simple as that, because this call is there to share what is the blocker, what is the update. It is not there to resolve everything. It may be possible that if a tester and problem has some issue, it may be resolved during the call because it's a very short thing, but this call is not there to resolve everything on the spot. Okay, so make sure you do not get into any argument or something with anyone. If there is any long discussion which is happening, which is needed, you can say like, this is my blocker and let's take it offline, means after the call. You can get in touch, you can share the complete story now with your Scrum Master, and then finally make a way forward. Okay, so this is what common mistakes which people are doing in Scrum calls. So few best practices which I have noted down: join on time. Yes. Be prepared before your turn. I told you in a concise points. Be short within a minute, right? This is also I told you. Listen to other carefully. Yes, what everyone is saying, because the project is all about connecting the dots. It may be possible what update someone else is giving, it is important for you as well. So do not think it like uh, just you have to say what you know or what you have. You have to understand the complete project. So understand, listen carefully. Okay. Last thing is discuss details issue after the meeting. I told you this. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, this is all about your first Scrum call or Scrum call if you are going for a new project. Okay. So make sure you understand all these things. I have prepared this exhaustive list with the help of my experience and AI, right? Because AI is a part of our life now. Okay. So I hope it helped you. I am trying to give you more things because this, agile thing is very complex or very long. Various technical terms are there like sprint, story. Okay, all these things are there. So I will try to explain this complete agile thing in a very simple terms so that you understand and you know what you have to do in all these type of calls. Okay, so thank you. Subscribe and share this with each and every of your teammates. Thank you.